On June 29, 2024, 5 members of the National Democratic Working Group, led by Job Sikala, were arrested in Harare. Their crime? Distributing food to the needy. The NDWG believes this arrest is driven by the government's paranoia, especially in light of recent corruption revelations. President Mnangagwa had recently threatened political activists and NGOs, and now those threats seem to be turning into action. The group was charged with gathering without police clearance, but the NDWG says this is just an excuse to stifle dissent. What does this mean for Zimbabwe's political landscape? Are we witnessing an attempt to silence critics under the guise of legality? The implications are serious, and the world is watching. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from our channel.